Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website like you see with me here. It's called TechRadar, and it's a popular technology website that provides news, reviews, and buying goods across a wide range of customer technology categories. So to get started with the website, simply head on over to TechRadar or techradar.com on Google or any other browser. And this is here the results that I got after my search. I have here the official site with their page on Twitter and some video about it on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. And also we can find the definition on Wikipedia and some similar websites. We need the official site. That means the first one. We need to click to the first link. TechRadar, the source for tech buying advice. Okay, let's click on it. So once you click to the link, you go directly to the homepage or the interface of the website. So this small page here is for sign up. Okay, we will come back to the homepage later to show you the different key features for the website. But first, let us create an account and show you the different steps and the different information that you need to enter to sign up. First thing, you need to enter your email address. And need to contact me with news and offers from other feature. If you want that, you need to click. If you don't want, you need just to cancel. And if you want to receive email from the website on behalf of the trusted partner or sponsors, you need just to click on it. If you don't want, you need just to skip it and click on this blue button over here, the sign me up. So we sign up and we should receive the confirmation email shortly to confirm the website or creating the account. And now let us know the different key features for the website and talk a little about this website over here. And after that, we will just check our email to see how we can confirm the creating the account. So we come back to the homepage where we can find all the products and their type with the reviews and the opinion. And if you just put this one in more, you will find the different types of the products that you want to see or to buy or something like that. And like you see with me here, we have the appliance, the audiovisual, cameras, Cortec, computing, coupon, download, fitness. Let's try one of them to see the different products and how they manage on this website over here. Let's click on fitness. So this is all the products that support to the fitness. This watch is for fitness and a lot of products also for that type of the products. Like you see here, the sneakers, watches, the Bluetooth phone, glasses or sunglasses, with reviews and all the information about the products. You can just change the kind of products that you want to check just from this one here. And you will find the cameras here is one from the really important thing in the TechRadar, the camera and the imaging quality. When reviewing smartphones, cameras or other imaging device, TechRadar sees the quality of images and various produced including factors like resolution, color, accuracy, low light, performance and image stabilization. Is very important thing. You can find this in this TechRadar. And also you'll find the how-to over here, or we can call it also the customer support. TechRadar take into account the quality of customer support offered by manufacturers of brands and this includes responsiveness, helpfulness, warranty policies, and the availability of the software updates. And all these features and functionalities, the TechRadar look at the features offered by products and evaluate their usefulness, innovation, and how will they perform their intended function. They explore unique features and how they enhance the overall user experience. And like example, let's try to check a product from this ones here to see how we can know the price or how we can buy it or something like that. Let's try with the sneakers over here. This is a small information about it, and this is the review over here. It's the Saucony Guide 16 review, one of the best running shoes for overponators. Okay, let's try to check it out. Okay, here you'll find the review and all what you want to know or what you need to know specifically. And this is the most important information about the shoes, the components, the price. You'll just find it over here with different currency, the dollar, the euro, and this one here, and the weights, and the upper, the midsole, the outsole, and the heel toe drop. You will find all what you need to know to decide if you want to buy that product, or you will cancel it, or you will change it. You have also some images from different places with very high quality and different colors. There is here other information about the design, the performance. Yeah, and let me tell you something about the performance in this website. The TechRadar examines the performance of the products such as smartphones, laptops, and gaming consoles, focusing on factors like speed, processing power, graphics capabilities, and overall user experience. And like I said before, to buy it you need to contact the vendor, and you can also negotiable for the price and something like that, and you can buy it by contact him on the chat or the call or a video chat or any way that you prefer. So this will be our video today and our website today. I hope you guys understand, and I hope you like the video, and if you do, please subscribe to see more videos like that, and follow me. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next website.